Hello dear students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's start our today's online session of Standard 9th Mathematics. And today in the revision of number system we will see the different operations on real numbers. See here first question, 3 root 3 plus 7 root 3 equals to, if you will see here 3 is common, so root 3 is common, so we will take out that root 3 common. So what is left? 3 plus 7, that equals to 10 root 3. You can solve this vertically also. 3 root 3 plus 7 root 3 equals to 3 plus 7 root 3, that gives you 10 root 3. So simply you have to add or subtract these real numbers and you have to keep as it is the irrational numbers. Now you will add these two binomials. So the signs are as it is. If you will see here, the common terms are root 3, that is like term you can say. So we will put together. So it is 3 root 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 7 root 5 minus 10 root 5. So again take out the common one, that gives you 5 root 3 minus 7 minus 10 means minus 3 root 5. So in this simple way you solve the different problems. Now multiply 3 root 3 by 7 root 3. Simple multiplication it is. 3 7s are 21 and root 3 into root 3, always remember it's only 3, because 3 raised to 1 by 2, 3 raised to 1 by 2 gives you 3 raised to 1 by the laws of exponent. So 21 into 3, 21 into 3 means what? 63. That is the answer. Same in case of the division. See here 9 root 10 by 3 root 5. So if you will divide, 9 and 3 gets cancelled, but root 10 you can solve this as root 2 into root 5, or you can take under root of 10 by 5. 10 by 5 means what? It gives you root 2. So the answer is 3 root 2. So in this simple way, dear students, you can operate the real numbers. See, these are some identities which are related to the square roots. Already you have seen, but in case of simple, but here the numbers are now the real numbers, that is irrational numbers. Square root of AB equals to root A into root B. Under root of A upon B means separately you can write square root of A upon square root of B. See, it is the identity root A plus root B equals to root A into root B minus root A into root A minus root B, that gives you A minus B. Why it is? Because root A whole square minus root B whole square, and root square means the simple base, that is A minus B. Same here, if you will solve this bracket in case of fourth, you will get A square minus B, and then for fifth if you will solve, you will get square root of AC, square root of AD, square root of BC, and square root of simple binomial by binomial, that is multiplication of binomial by binomial. It is the standard identity. Same way you can use it for minus also. Root A plus root B whole square, it is A square, that is root A square. Root A square means what? A, plus 2 into root AB plus B. So these are some identity which helps us to solve the different real numbers. Now it's time for the revision assignment, dear students. These are the different questions which are based on the real numbers, operations, use of exponents and powers, and then rationalization and all that. So try to solve this all questions. See the second page of assignment. It is a revision. You have to solve it either by using the laws of exponents or by using the rationalization of the denominator. Thank you. Have a nice day.